With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The amplitude of a wave represented by the equation y equal to 3 sine 5x minus 0.5t plus 4 cos 5x minus 0.5t is. Okay, so since we can see that the argument of the sine function and the cos function are equal, and so we can apply phasor analysis, but before that we have to check the phase difference between these two terms. So let's convert this cos function into a sine function. So we can do this by adding pi by 2 in it. So this becomes sine pi by 2 plus 5x plus minus 0.5t. So I've converted the second part, 4 cos 5x minus 0.5t, to the sine function. So now we can apply phasor analysis in order to find out the amplitude of the resultant wave. So for this particular situation, if I consider my horizontal axis as the reference axis and it represents the angle 5x minus 0.5t, then the phasor which is along this axis has the magnitude 3. That means the vector will have the magnitude 3, and the other phasor vector will have the magnitude 4, but it will be at an angle pi by 2 greater than the reference angle. So suppose if I consider this as the vertical axis, so then we can see the second equation. According to the second part of the this equation, we can see that this vector has a phase difference of pi by 2 and the amplitude of this vector is 4 units. So now we have two phasors with 3 units and 4 units magnitude, and the angular difference between them is pi by 2, which is constant. That is why we can apply phasor analysis. Now we can find out the resultant of these two vectors. So if I consider the resultant, so this will be, according to parallelogram law of addition, this will be the resultant. So I can see this horizontal length is 3 and the vertical length is 4. So that means the diagonal will have the length of 5 units. So that would imply, according to this phasor analysis, we can see that the resultant amplitude of the resultant wave is equal to 5 units. So according to this, our D option would be correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.